What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video, we are going to be talking about a company that dropped significantly more than 40%. We're going to go over exactly what happened to this company and is there potential for this stock to recover and why I bought into this company. And we're also going to go over a quick stock market recap and some important economic reports we need to watch for tomorrow. So all this important information coming up. Now, before we get into the video, I appreciate if you hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below and let me know in the comment section of the stocks that you're watching and some of the stocks that you want to get involved in right now, and if you're willing to buy this company that I'm going to be talking about. So the company that we're going to go over is going to be Plug Power. So as you can see, this is a company that is set to build a clean hydrogen economy. So Plug Power is a leading provider of clean hydrogen and zero emission fuel cell solutions that are both cost efficient and reliable. So this company has been in a very massive trend. I know initially when we talked about this company, it was trading at around $8 and it had a really massive move. You know, it broke out all the way to $73 at the beginning of the year. And unfortunately, the stock has been pulling back. You know, the high that it made was around $73.18. Right now, we're sitting at around $39 for the stock to drop 46.26%. So we're gonna go over exactly what happened and why the stock dropped. So the stock dropped because they announced that they will reinstate financial results. So they had some issues with their finances and some of the reporting that they did on their balance sheet, the financial statements for fiscal year 2018, 2019, as well as quarterly filings for 2019 and 2020. So the company stated that the accounting errors are primarily related to areas including the impairment of certain long-lived assets, as well as loss occurs for certain service contracts. I bought into this company because even though they had this issue, they're going to be redoing it again. They stated that there is no expected impact to our cash position, business operations, or economic commercial agreements, you know, when they filed with the SEC. So the stock definitely started to recover today, and it's doing pretty well so far. But you know, if you want to get involved in this company, of course you can buy into this massive dip. We have more than 40% discount. The stock has started to recover a little bit. When you look at the ideal price point and get involved in this company, this stock dropped, you know, all the way to the support area around $33. So that's still pretty good. It can definitely go down below $33, but you know, this is a long-term position that I opened. You know, we got involved in it at the previous times when it dipped with the overall market, and now it dropped again. So we're dollar cost averaging into this position. So I definitely believe in the company. And you know, the issue that they had right now, I think they can definitely bounce back because it's not really affecting them. It's just made errors, accounting errors. So at the end of the day, the company is not going to be affected. So if you're a long-term investor in this company, even if it goes, you know, to $34, it goes to $30, I definitely buy into them because it has a very solid growth potential in the future. As I said, we're going into renewable energy, and this company is one of the companies to definitely have in your portfolio. So I got in it and I bought the dip right around over here. Now let's go over the questions from the previous video and also the stock recommendations for our public YouTube portfolio. So as you can see over here, we had some few questions about the EV market. We have XP EV, what to expect. So right now, since after the Fed announced that they're not going to be increasing rates up until 2023, I think this high growth stock can definitely start rallying. You know, we have Tesla that went up nicely today. So expect, you know, all these other EV stocks to follow along. So it's definitely going to be pretty good looking forward. So since the Fed definitely, you know, said they're not going to increase rates. So shout out to All Weather Lifestyle. We have big day tomorrow. I'm nervous. Don't worry about it. INDD stock. We have how's NEO going to look for the rest of the week. So as I mentioned, you know, since we have the Fed president stated that they're not going to increase rates, so the high growth stock can definitely be the place to park your money right now. So we might see some very fantastic gains coming up pretty soon for the EV sector. So what about SQ? SQ, the same thing. Investing Sensile, also shout out to him. And any word for FRXE? I don't follow that stock. And also BRQS, I have to look into that. And we have a Zoom, IDX, ASTI, all good stock to invest in now, buy and hold and watch it. So we definitely talked about ZOM, but the rest of them I also need to check it out. I know IDX is very popular, So definitely gonna look into that. We have a CCIV, of course, it's been recovering pretty well the past few days. Today had a massive dip, but we'll see. You know, all these rate spikes and etc. All this important issue that can drag these high growth stocks is definitely behind us now. So look, moving forward, I think we can see some great recovery for all the EV stocks and SENS. So I know SENS, they have the FDA news. I think they have the FDA news, I think passed or something like that a few days ago. But I know the stock has not done pretty well. I know the stock's just being stagnant below $3. But if you're still holding it, if you believe in the company, you know, just you keep holding it, because it seemed like they found support at around $2.50, and we'll see how it goes from there. But definitely be aware of what could potentially happen for this stock. You know, in case if you're holding a lot of shares, you know, if you're in profit, definitely lock in profits. You know, so we have a great video. Thanks. Price target for BFD prior to merger. It depends on the oil market. Right now we have, you know, the Fed, as I mentioned again for the third time, stated that the rates are not going to be up till 2023. So it can definitely go to the high that it made around $19, and if it sells off, it can go to 15. SNES, we talked about it. ZOM, definitely a company to watch out for. We talked about it, and it hit around $3. And check out CleanSpark. Yeah, definitely own CleanSpark in our long-term portfolio. And we have LEKco, very undervalued stock, great earnings. So we're definitely gonna keep an eye on this company to add to our portfolio. We're just waiting on the money to settle, and then we're going to be adding the positions that you guys requested. Of course, definitely drop it in the comment section below the stocks that you're watching. We finished positive, but there's still some stocks that recovered very well. So we were selling off right when the market opened, and then we recovered, and Tesla did very well out of all the stocks. And it's up 3%, and we still have some stocks that are in the recovery. They're doing pretty well, like a Carnival Cruise and Royal Caribbean. Boeing also been up a lot. You know, this was the company that I was watching out for. We talked about that we're going to buy into it, but it's getting away from us. Now it's sitting at $263. So this company definitely has potential to be trading above $300. We have the bank stocks that are doing pretty well too at the same time. So we'll see moving forward what to expect. But tomorrow we have some important economic reports that is related to job reports. You know, so these are going to be super crucial because they can affect the stock market significantly, either to the upside, to the downside. So they're going to be reported before the market open. So definitely be on the lookout for that. This is jobless claims numbers, and definitely keep an eye on them. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure to drop in the comment section below, and check out the links all in the description box if you want to get free stocks, free Bitcoin, and join us at the private Discord on the Patreon page. You can also get access to that, but make sure you manage your risk. But let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.